going on, you guys? I can't tell you how excited I am for this video just because it's been so long since we've actually made one of these videos. Yes, today is a driving video. I finally get to take the M3 out. We're gonna do another canyon run. This is one of my favorite mountains here. This one's really tight. It's not like long and high gears, third and fourth like the other ones we've been going to. This one's gonna be a lot of back-to-back corners, a lot of second, ringing out second, maybe touching third. There's a couple spots where we'll actually get to the top of third. But man, I'm really excited. We're gonna pretty much keep it brief. Today's a perfect day. I had to just get out. It's, I think, what does it say? It's 69 degrees right now. First of all, 69. Second of all, I mean, it's literally perfect. Not even a cloud in the sky, you guys. Also, guys, I just want to thank you for bearing with me. I know it's been a little bit since I've made a video, truly not by design. I've got a busy life outside of this. I'm actually a full-time college student. This is my last year, so things are kicking up pretty crazy. Wish I could make these more, but again, bear with me, please. I do appreciate it. These are a ton of fun, so I want to be making these as much as possible. But as you guys know, sometimes life just happens. So I want to show you, because I have had a couple people just reach out on videos, you know, asking about mic placement for this. I thought I put it in some other videos, but we'll go ahead and look at it. This is the duo right here, the mic and the trusty duct tape. Let's go ahead and take a look. I have gone ahead and earlier today we did a bolt check. I always recommend to do a bolt check. At the minimum, check your freaking lugs, man. You don't want a wheel flying off. You don't want to be that guy. I don't want you to be that guy. You don't want to go flying off a mountain because your wheel fell off. Etc. Just bolt check, wheel check at the minimum. All right, well, here it is. Here's the mic, here is the intake. Not much more to say. I literally just stick this right here, just like that. Tape it to the fender well, I guess you'd call this, the wheel well. And it basically sits right there with the duct tape. There's really nothing to it. This is such a hard sound to try and record and replicate with any type of accuracy that, I mean, even the preamp on this thing, I have dialed to like 0.75 out of 10. This is a freaking gnarly sound. So, I mean, I try my best. You know, the only thing I can really find that has even come close to sounding like this car is, and I hate to say it, is a McLaren F1. They really have the same kind of intake grunt, especially low down, the RPMs. It sounds really gnarly, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get it taped up. We're gonna start it because I want to try and get up there, you know, sooner than later before the sun starts going down. So, all right, guys, we are all mic'd up, back in the car. We're gonna start it out. Again, this one's really tight. It's about seconds and thirds pretty much the whole way up, really ringing out second. I've seen a number of bicycles already coming up and going down, so I've got to kind of remember that. Take it chill a little bit. This is kind of everyone's road. I don't want to go flying off. I don't want to hit a biker. I really don't want any of that. So we're going to stay in my lane. We're going to have fun. We're going to be safe. So without further ado, let's fucking go. God damn, just listen to that thing. The way this car turns in too. recently repaved this road actually because there was a rock slide or something. This road does get kind of gnarly, gets a little rough towards the top, so I'm actually glad to see that they're patching stuff. Just look at that, man. That's insane. I love this fucking road. Oh, shit. Looks like we're already at the end. I love this fucking road. Ah, that was fun. No one's here, I'll throw a little donut down for us. No, there's people here. God, man, this car handles so nice. So freaking nice. The turn in, the way the tires talk back, the way the throttle input works. I'm almost not braking on most of these turns. I'm basically just using the momentum of the car and the engine braking. It's almost perfect. It literally is almost perfect. But rod bearings. Oh, but bro, look at that. And for those of you who are like, bro, you're not driving the car hard enough. Look what I'm working with, dog. Yo, look at that shit. I want to go home, man. I'm at the top of the mountains, dude. Look at that shit. You want to fly off here? You want to be that guy? You remember the video of the dude in the white E46 crashing? You want that to be me, dog? Dial it back. Get back to driving. God damn, look at that. Oh my god. I can't, dude. Look, so good. So good. Alright, we're gonna hit the backside here. This is fun. You guys, the throttle steer is so fucking on point. That's one of my favorite things about BMW chassis is the throttle steer. God, it works. And in the E30 M3s, it's the same thing. It's all about throttle steer and moving that back end with the accelerator. God damn, it's so good. They really, at this point in the game, they really knew what they were doing. God dang. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much it. I'm towards the end of the backside, so go ahead and just find a place to pull over. We'll chat for a second. Gonna let the car kind of cool down a little bit and take some B-roll shots. Yeah, I think it literally is perfect right now for some B-roll, so let's go ahead and do that. Driving around trying to find our B-roll shots and ran into some deer. What's up, bro? What's going on, guy? That's so cool. We are way out here if we're seeing deers. But that also means I gotta chill now because we ain't trying to smack a deer. Wow, we made it. Oh my gosh, what a drive. That honestly is one of my favorite drives. Car did amazing. Just letting it kind of idle for a little bit. I don't know if you guys know, but when you push these cars like this, you really need to let them idle for a little bit before you shut it off because it will flash boil. And there's actually potential for a good amount of damage doing that. But car was amazing, the drive was good. Only ran into one person, they let us over right away, so that was really good. Only actually a couple bikers, some deer. We saw our girl Bambi, as you guys just saw. But man, look at this thing. car just performs. It does everything I ask it to. Literally everything I ask it to. And it doesn't fuss. It doesn't, I mean, the car's been super good to me, and I drive this fucking car hard. I think the only time this car comes out is when it's getting driven hard, honestly. I do daily it, but you know, I've been in 3 canyon runs like this, redlining it and everything within the last month and a half. You can't really ask for much more out of a car that you can daily, a car that you can still go get groceries in, a car that you can run up to the mountain with, and that sounds like that. It really is a true package. That is kind of why I still have the stock exhaust on, is because, man, that intake just sounds so freaking good. So good. But, you know, I'm going to wrap it up. I wanted to keep this one short and just really straight to the point. Wanted to get out here and drive. I think that's what a lot of you were waiting for as well. Definitely what I was waiting for. We're going to do more. I need to find another road because I've been hitting the last couple roads kind of back to back. I've got like 3 or 4 roads here locally to me. So I think we're going to branch out. I think I'm going to find some different roads. I do have some things planned for the car within the kind of immediate future, so definitely stay tuned for that. If you're enjoying this, let me know. You know, if you have any ideas or anything you want to see, or there's anything on your M3 you're wondering, definitely drop a comment and let me know. I'd be happy to, you know, help in any way I can. If you're doing like CSL intake, or if you're doing rod bearings, or if you're doing subframe, I've done all those, so definitely let me know. I am really happy with those of you that have reached out. It definitely lets me know, like, I should keep doing this. You guys are enjoying it, I'm enjoying it. If we're having fun, then that's really all it's about. So yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot a little outro for us here, and if anything good happens, I'll record it. Otherwise, see you guys next time. Peace.